Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Akshay and today I have another interesting SQL interview question for you guys, and this time this was asked in Twilio. Uh, I'm not sure which position it was, but the question was simple. There were some set of numbers given and we were told to find the dense rank. The question seems easy, but then again there was a condition given to not use the Windows function of the dense rank. Okay, so the input was simple single column ID, that is 1, 2, 2 and 4, and then the output needs to look like this. Okay, and this is how this is how the output should look like, and the only constraint is that we need not use the dense rank function. So I will show you one method how to do that, and let's move over to the Postgres and let's solve this question. Okay, so uh, I have my tables already uh, there. Okay, I'll give this create and insert statements in the description as usual, and then we'll proceed forward. Yeah, so this is the table that we got, and I'll first show you the solution what I did, and then um, we can move for we can just see what the explanation behind it. Okay, I'll say select I'll say n1 dot id. Okay, and then I'll say select within brackets, I'll give select n2 dot id. Wait, I'll give count of distinct n2 dot id. Okay, from n2 dot nums. Okay, and then I'll give a condition where n2 dot id is less than equals to n1 dot id. Okay, and then I'll say from nums as n2 nums. Okay, so I need to aliases num n2. Okay, so nums as n1. Okay, and let's see what I get. So there you have it. I'll make you understand how it works. Okay, so this part is a little tricky and this is what you need to understand. So I'll use this Excel file to make you understand what I'm trying to do. Okay, as dense rank and 2 dot height. Oh, okay, there needs to be one. Yeah, so it comes close to the input. So if I have my IDs, that is 1, 2, 2, 2 and 4. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm taking only the distinct of these IDs. Okay, so the distinct IDs will be 1, 2 and 4. Okay, so how many total numbers are there? There are a total of 3 inputs. Okay, total 3 inputs. Okay, and I need to get the dense rank of them. Okay, so from n1 id, it takes all the IDs within the nums table. It will be n1 id. Okay, within this I had taken another parameter in the form of the same id n2, and this time I am counting only the distinct numbers. Okay, so basically this where condition is important. Okay, what this where condition tells me is that how many number 1 in comparison to other numbers, how many is less than or equals to the same. I mean, how many numbers are less than or equal to 1. Okay, so the distincts, there are total of 3 numbers. Okay, so I'll make you understand the distinct part. Okay, the rest will be easy to understand. So there are 3 numbers in total. Okay, and it is less than equals to. So how many number is less than equals to 1? Only 1. Okay, how many numbers are less than or equals to 2? 2 numbers, that is 1 and 2. Okay, so 2. And how many numbers are less than or equal to 4? 3 numbers. Okay, 1, 2 and 4 itself. So 3. The same things, this is in the distinct count distinct feature. This will give you the count. Okay, so you see the same thing here. There is one number, only one number less than equals to 2. Here also there is only one number less than, so this will come here like this. Only less than one number less than or equals to 2. Okay, here also 2, because 2 and 2 will have the same numbers, right? And lastly 4, it will the only number that is less than or equals to 4 are 3. Okay, 3 numbers are less than equals to 4. This will be counted as distinct numbers. So 3 less than or equal to 4. So 1 is less than equals to, one number is less than or equals to 1, 2 numbers are less than or equals to 2, and 3 numbers are less than or equals to 4. So this is how you understand it. Little tricky, but again, understanding, if you understood this concept, it will make your life easier. So I also didn't understand at first. It took me nearly a day to understand how can I formulate this solution. And here I have this solution in front of you. Okay, I hope you like this video. Feel free to share it with your friends who are giving their interviews at Twilio, and tell them about this wonderful problem that you face today. That's it from my side. Like I always say, keep learning, keep growing. I'll see you next time. Till then, happy working. Thank you.